Time now for our forecast as we head into the weekend, and what can we expect?
Well, speaking of California, much of the San Joaquin Valley in Northern California right now is under a flash flood watch, and it is those storms that impact Northern California that then move in to the state of Idaho. So you can see it right here, for example, on this time-lapse video. Yeah, we had a mixture of clouds with some occasional sunshine today, but now all of a sudden you see the clouds increasing. These clouds are coming up from the south, courtesy of what was a California storm. Now, by the time they get here, they are significantly weaker. The mountain ranges have a tendency of really draining a lot of the moisture out of these storms, but still there's some residual moisture, and we are seeing the showers, again, primarily affecting the Magic Valley into the southeastern part of the state. And the Owyhee mountain range down here to the south acts as a blocking mechanism. So a lot of times with these flows that come in out of the south like this, the Treasure Valley gets rain shadowed by the Owyhee Mountains just to the south of us. But I still think we'll see the possibility of at least a scattering of showers working their way into the area tonight. And most of the shower activity is going to be Mountain Home down into Twin Falls. But don't be surprised if you see a few of those showers tonight. Temperature readings outside right now hovering in the upper 40s. We managed to hit the low 50s for high temperatures today. 49 degrees right now in Nampa, 49 also in Caldwell. So at least this part of the Treasure Valley has broken out of the inversion. But notice what's happening up here around Ontario and up around Payette and Weiser. The areas are still in the upper 30s. McCall is 37 degrees right now, and Sun Valley has temperature readings in the 30s. This is a satellite imagery that shows a lot of activity that's still brewing out there in the Pacific Ocean. This is the storm that's impacting California and will bring us some showers. Here comes the next storm. There are additional storms out there in the Pacific Ocean. So we're going to continue to see one system after another. How long can this pattern last? Well, the models that I use, at least looking out ahead for the next 10 days, indicating that the pattern is going to remain unsettled at least through the end of next week. It doesn't mean a solid storm. It means a storm, then a break, then another storm. And each one of these systems that come in really are not very organized. By the time they move into Idaho, they're just kind of like these blobs of moisture working their way up from the south and from the west. So this is the storm that is generating the super soaking scenario for California. We get the leftovers as it works its way into the Treasure Valley. So occasional showers will be in the forecast, on again, off again, on Saturday and Sunday and Monday, and I think it has the potential of doing more of the same through the end of next week. Here's the futurecast. Watch what happens as the storm works its way up from the south again. The central part of the state is the bullseye for this. This is right around 10 o'clock tonight, but notice a little scattering of some valley rain showers here in the Treasure Valley. Then tomorrow morning, right around 7 to 8 o'clock, we see snow out to the west. And then out here across the valley itself, it looks like mostly scattered valley rain showers with snow also to the north in the mountains. And then right around 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, still hit and miss little pockets of rain. You just can't rule out the possibility of these occasional showers. And that's why I label it occasional showers, because it is that hit and miss variety. And there you will see on Sunday, again, just a scattering of showers possible here and there around parts of the Treasure Valley. 7-day forecast for the valley itself. I'm going to keep occasional showers in the forecast on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Could be a touch drier on Tuesday, but notice how things just want to remain very unsettled through the end of next week. And temperature readings by Friday could actually start dropping down into the low 40s. Some of the models indicating that we're going to get some colder air in here around the end of next week. We'll see if that actually plays out, but that's what they're showing. The mountains will see just a rain-snow mix, and it all depends on elevation. 1 minute could be rain, the next minute it could be snow, with temperatures right around that upper 30s to near 40 degrees. Here's the ski report. Brundage reporting 3 inches of brand new snow in the last 24 hours. Bogus Basin got 1 inch. All the bases are solid. The corduroy, the groomers they're great. Everything's looking good up there. Tamarack at 2 inches of new snow. Sun Valley takes the prize. They got 6 inches of new snow in the last 24 hours with 141 inches up on the summit. Pomerelle, no new snow, but a solid base. Anthony Lakes got 4 inches of new snow, and Soldier Mountain, no new snow there, or in Grand Targhee, but again, all the bases are doing very, very well. But if you do plan on going skiing, you'll probably run into that little rain-snow mix on the bases, and then at the top of the chairlift, you'll say, oh, look, it's snowing.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Roland.